Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have covered many of the things using Android development series, and we are also doing the Java series with that, and I hope you are enjoying that all stuff. So today in this video, we'll be working with Java, and today in Java, I will be telling you that how you can build an amazing project of weight converter using Java, and I hope you'll be enjoying today's video as well. So if you enjoy this Java project which we are building today in this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing things. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can help and they can see that how we can use these all stuff in our project. So now we'll be starting with our video here, and we'll be seeing that how we can build this amazing weight converter using Java from start to end, and what things we'll be using in this project. So just like I'm telling you, today we'll be just building an amazing project using Java here of weight conversion. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing that how we'll be building this project. So for building this amazing project, I will be opening my folder which I have created on desktop. You can see here it is weight conversion tool. I will be pressing select folder to open this. After opening this folder, we are getting all these files. So I will be working on these files. You can see here it is. So I will be raising all these codes from here. Save this. Then you have to move to this file, remove this code from here. Then move on to this JS file here. This is our JS file which we will be using, and removing this code from here. Press Ctrl B to close side panel. I will be zooming in so you can just see my all the codes which I will be doing here. Then I will be directly opening this file in my default Google Chrome browser. Here it is. So I have opened my file now. I will be doing it side by side like this. Now when you've done this all stuff here, I will be making my coding side at the left, and at the right my interface side should be. So here you will be seeing your interface side. Now we are getting all this stuff. So I will be now doing one thing here. Like I will be just basically moving on to my project here, and after moving to project, I will be now moving into my main body tag, and I will be working on with this tag. So here first of all you have to create a div tag here, and after creating a div tag, I will be creating a form tag, and here I will be now writing weight converter like this, and then I will be now writing here pounds to kg, means this weight converter will be changing the converter to pounds to kg. So I will be now converting this to pounds to kg. Then here user will be writing the weight. So here write the weight value of the user. Then here I will be now writing pounds. Then when you've written this, you have to just write here label. And in label tag, I will be removing this for from here. And here in the center, I will be writing pounds. So after writing pounds, here you have to just move forward after this label tag. Then in input, I will be now writing here number. Then you have to just write here stab is equals to .1. Then you have to now write here p tag your weight in. Then I will be now just writing here kilograms. So here I will be writing this. Then when you've written this, here I will be now writing spend tag. Write here id, and then you have to write here result. After writing this, you have to write here script tag. Then write here source, and now you have to give the JS file name here. Save this and then reload. You can see we are getting all this stuff. We will be styling, and then with the help of the Java, we will be moving on then doing the Java code. So we can just put the functionality in this weight converter here. So I will be now giving it the background color, which should be blue. So I will be not styling it too much. I will be making it just only the background color. I will be changing and setting its width and height like I want to set. Then I will be writing here 500 pixel width. Height should be 300 pixel. Margin 100 pixel auto. Then I will be writing 100 pixel. Then after writing this, you have to write here padding 25 pixel. So after writing this padding 25 pixel, you have to write here error, and then you have to write here color red. Then you have to write here dot no error, and then you have to now write here color RGB like this, and here I will be writing 0 255 0. Then you have to close it, save, and then reload. So you can see we are getting this. So I have not styled it too much, just I have now styled, so I can just change it to pounds to kilogram because I am only building it simply. Just I want to show you how you can just change the weight converter, means pounds to kg. So I'm giving that functionality here. Now when you've written this thing, just I will be directly moving to my JS file to give it the functionality, means my Java file. So I will be writing here cons form is equals to, then I will be writing document dot query selector like this. And then after writing this, you have to give it here the form tag, and here I will be now writing add an event listener, and here I will be writing to the form. Then I will be writing form dot add event listener, and here I will be writing submit, and write function e tag, and here I will be moving down e dot prevent default. Then you have to just now close it, means just like this. Then you have to write here input, and then you have to write here document dot query selector, and here I will be now writing input, and then you have to just move down right here let results is equals to right here document dot query selector and spend tag. Then when you've written this here, I will be writing let pounds. Then I will be now writing here 2 kg. Now when you've written this here, you have to just now write if input. Then I will be now writing here dot value like this, and here I will be now just writing like this, and then you have to write this colon, and here I will be now writing then input, and then you have to write here dot value. After writing this, you have to now make this tag right here results dot class list, and here you have to write add error. Now you have to just close it right here results dot inner. Then you have to now write this here tag, and then you have to write this p tag. Now after writing p tag, you have to write please enter a value number. Then you have to close this p tag here like this. After writing this, you have to write here set timeout. So here I will be now writing this, and after writing this tag, you have to write here function, make this tag, then make this curly bracket move down, write here results dot inner file, which I will be now writing here, then write this colon and write here results dot, write here class list, and then you have to now write here dot remove. After writing here, you have to write error, then you have to close it, and here I will be now writing 2000. Then you have to write here input dot value, and here you have to just write this quotes here, then close this tag, press backspace, then give here spacing. Here I will be writing else pounds. So here I will be now writing pounds to kg is equals to, then I will be writing here number. So here I will be now writing number like this. Here you have to write input dot value, then write here 2.2. After writing this tag here, you have to now just do one thing, like here I will be now writing results dot class list, and then you have to write here add, and now you have to write here no error. Now when you've written this here, you have to write results dot inner. Then when you've written this here, you have to write is equals to, and then you have to write this tag here and write here pounds to kg. So here I will be converting this to pound to kg. Then I will be writing 2 fixed, and here I will be writing 2. Then close this tag here, set timeout, and then in set timeout I will be defining my function, and here I will be now just moving down right here results dot inner, and then you have to write that like this. Here you have to write input value, then here I will be now writing like this tag, then here I will be writing results dot and write here class list dot remove. Then you have to now write here no error, and here you have to just now make this tag here comma and write here 10,000. Save this, and then I will be just moving it down like this, and then you have to just save it here again, and then you have to reload. So if I will be writing any of the pounds here, so here I will be now just writing it here, so you can see if I refresh here this thing, and then if I just now write this all stuff here, save it, then move it here, and you can see we are getting this thing here. And if I write anything in pound, so you will be seeing that we are getting the value of pound, and when you will be writing this value of pound here, you will be getting that value here. So here you can see when I'm pressing enter, so my value in kilogram is coming here. If I just show you by zooming in, you can see my value of if I write any value 25, so you have to press enter to get your value in kilograms. If you don't press enter, so you will be not getting your value. Press enter, you can see when I've written pounds in 25, so I'm getting my value in kilograms like this. Like this, if you write 10, so you are getting your value in kilograms. So like this, you can just use this weight converter project. So I hope you understand this, how we can use this weight converter here when we are working with Java, and like this you can build this amazing weight converter. So this was not really big thing to build this amazing weight converter, just it was the simple thing which I want to show you how you can use and how you can build this. Just you have to put some of the basic Java codes to build this amazing weight converter. It is not really big deal to build this, but you should be practicing these small projects so you can move on to include these all functionality in your big projects when you are building it with the combination of many other converters. Like if you are building height converter, weight converter, and temperature converter, and you are combining this to build one application, so this is a really good thing. Means this will be really big project also, and in this big project you will be getting your small project from which your practice will be good, and you will be understanding like how you can just put small projects in the big projects to build one large application. And like this also, when we are getting any application on Play Store, or we are building any application, so we are getting all these small projects, and they combine that small project to build that large application. So just you have to practice these all small projects, so you can use these all small projects in your big projects like applications, websites, clones you are building using any of the language. Here I'm just telling you about Java. You can use it in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, React. There are many other languages from where you can use, and in which you can just use. So I hope you understand this amazing weight converter, you can say, project which we have built. It was small project but helpful project, I've telling you. So if you have understand, enjoy this video, remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well. You can also see my Android development tutorial series which I am doing, because that will also giving you help, and I hope that project will be also really helpful. So remember to check that all videos out. So just I hope you understand this. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using these all amazing languages. So for today, goodbye.